Hi Carol. Sorry we had some technical difficulties, but we will start very soon. Hi Fabian, how are you? Hello Holger. Hello Kent. It's been a good week, Fabian. It's been a really volatile week. Yes, Andreas, this will be a longer stream than usual. Hi guys, welcome back to another week of Marco Making the Million. It's October 11th today and it's the 10th week of this challenge. We have a long live cast ahead of us today. We have a few topics to discuss. I'm going to start with talking about the new position size calculator. This calculator will help you determine what the position sizes you should run on our different algos. So what you will do is you will add the total equity on your account and your risk profile and the algos you are running, and this calculator will suggest position sizes for you to run. So this is only suggestions and not recommendations. I would just want to make that clear. And then I'm going to talk about the new SP500 algo that is released today to our all algo package customers. If you do not receive the algo later today or have not already received it, then please send us an email. And then of course I'm going to go through the results of the week and look closer at a few of our algos. But first I would like to introduce the ProRealAlgo partner program. So please watch this video, it's 2 minutes long.
Are you already running ProRealAlgos and want to get the perks of being an ambassador? Are you ready to spread the word about us and our algos? Then you just have to join the ProRealAlgos partner program. It will allow you to receive €100 for every new customer you refer. But that's not all. Becoming a ProRealAlgos partner will give you access to some very special algo packages from the developer Algo Alpha. These premium algos from Algo Alpha are offered to the ProRealAlgo partners exclusively. Still interested? Good. Let me explain our unique website visitor tracking that guarantees that your efforts as a partner are tracked and rewarded. So first of all, when you become a partner, we will create a completely new page and URL on our website that is unique for you. When you spread the word about ProRealAlgos, that is the URL you will share. What we will do is keep track of every new visitor coming in through this page. From the moment of their first visit, the person is tagged and earmarked as a customer that you have referred. And that's how we know it's you to reward when the customer eventually makes their first purchase. Even if it's in a different session, on a different day, on a different device. For better success, you will also receive a unique 10% discount code that you could share with any of your referrals. And of course, ProRealAlgos takes the full responsibility for all the customers you refer. So, now it's all up to you. Send an email to your colleagues, tweet about us, start a forum thread, make a trading video or chat with your friends. You can choose to be endorsive or just neutral when sharing the word about us. There are no bad ways, just remember to use the unique URL assigned to you. Share it as often as possible and start enjoying the rewards. That's it. To get started, go to ProRealAlgos.com/partner. Join the program and get access to the premium algos and your referral bonuses.
Okay, so that was the ProRealAlgo partner program. Please go to ProRealAlgos.com/partner to get started. Alright, let's continue with the new position size calculator. So if you go to ProRealAlgos.com/size, you will come to this calculator here that is shown here. What you do is you enter the account equity, the total account equity, and your preferred risk profile, if you want low, medium, or high risk, and finally, and then you choose the algos that you are running. And what this calculator will generate is suggested position sizes. I want to make sure that I want to make clear that these are not recommendations. These are only suggestions. And I was thinking we could actually go to the website and look at it. Okay, so first step is to enter the account equity. I will take 10,000 euros for an example, and I'm going to choose the low risk profile. This is the profile that's recommended for most users. The estimated maximal drawdown for the low profile is 25%, less than 25% in 1 month. Of course, the drawdown can be higher than 25%. It's no guarantee that it will not. And the third and final step is to choose the algos you're running. I'm going to choose all algos except the H4 algo. Okay, so what this calculator does is to generate a few suggested position sizes per algo. To the left here you can see the minimum allowed position size in on the index. This can differ between countries and indexes. I know some brokers offer smaller minimum sizes than these sizes that are stated here. So please check with your broker. But what you should do is always get as close as possible to the suggested position sizes here. And I would recommend that you round downwards. So if you're at 1.5 in suggested position size, I would recommend that you run 1 in position size. So as the minimum position size is bigger than the suggested position size, that means that if you would run the minimum position size, you will actually deviate from the risk profile. So to run with the risk profile that you have stated in the second step, you have to actually run the position sizes that are stated here. So using a bigger position size than this means increased risk and a deviation from the risk profile. If I choose medium in risk profile, you will see that these suggested position sizes are bigger than the minimal position size. You could also increase the capital of your account to see that the minimum is actually smaller than the suggested. Okay, so that's it. And again, these generated position sizes are not recommendations. Nothing in this calculator is intended to be, nor should it be understood by you as being investment advice from or by us. I just want to make that clear. Okay, let's continue with the SP500 algo. Okay, so here is the new SP500 M5 algo. It's just released today. All algo package customers will receive it today. And if you have not received it by tomorrow, please let us know. So this algo was developed in March 2020 during the Corona crisis. We have been running it ourselves by then, and it has been a really good period for this algo. It is around here, so it's been a really good walk forward test here, and now it's ready to be released. The algo has a gain of 1,916 euros during this whole backtest period, which is around 3 years. The maximal drawdown during this period is 182 euros, and that is this sequence here. And out of 14 quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Out of 13 quarters, 1 is negative. It executes orders in average 0.6 per day, and its time in market is around 25%. So this is an amazing algo. We are really confident in this one. It has been running for almost 8 months, 7 months, something like that, and it will be released to all our other customers in the next 2 weeks. The win rate of this algo is 83%. The profit factor is at 2.33, and the stop loss is at 1.5%. So yeah, let us know if you have not received it by tomorrow, and enjoy. So let's continue. Okay, so here are the results. This week we are at 5,380 euros. It's a loss of around 760 euros from last week. That puts us down here. It's below the projections. The total gain so far of this account is 7.6%. Let's zoom into 26 weeks. So here are the weekly results of this account. It started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positive weeks in a row, and then we have had 2 big losses and then a big gain and now a big loss again. So the last couple of weeks have been really volatile. The average movement these last couple of weeks have been almost the double the movement that we saw in the first couple of weeks. So the reason for this is our algos are trend following algos, and the last couple of weeks the trend has been unclear in most of the markets where we run our algos. So this makes it hard for our algos to make good entries. We often make entries close to turning points, and then we get a stop loss, and then the price turns again. So we really want this trend to or this market phase to go over quickly, and that we go into a trend phase again, and then we will see these kind of movements. If we were to include the latent gain over the weekend, we are at 5,887 euros. This doesn't look too bad, so it's not that far up to get over the projections again. We are actually not worried at all. To reach the 1 million goal, of course, it requires a lot of risk, but we are confident that we will start making better gains again, but also more steady gains. We will not see these 700 euro movements like this, but rather gains, but smaller gains. These are the position sizes that we're running today, and starting today we will also run the SP500 M5 algo. This algo will run with 3 in contract size. So these are the results of the week. The total loss was 6,858 euros. A total of 13 trades. That puts us as the win rate of 69.23%. The losers this week are the M2 algos. The DAX M2 algo made 2 full losses. The US 100 M2 algo made 1 loss, and the STXE M5 algo made 1 loss as well. And these are the all the trades of the week. So this is the trade chart. So let's go through the algos one by one. Okay, let's start from the top. STXE M30 made no trades this week. STXE M5 1 loss and 2 wins. FTSE M5 1 small win. DAX M3 1 win. FTSE M30 2 wins. DAX M2 2 losses. DAX M30 no trades this week. CAC M5 1 win this week. CAC M30 no trades this week. US 100 M30 no trades this week, but in a latent win here. US 100 M2 made 1 loss this week and is also in a latent win during the weekend, over the weekend. Dow H1 still hasn't made any trades. Dow M5 made 1 win. So let's see, we have 4 positions over the weekend. DAX M3 is in a short trade, DAX M2 is in a long trade, so this will even out to a sum of 0. But then we have 2 long positions in the US 100 algos, so I believe we will have a good start of the week tomorrow. Okay, so I was thinking we could go through one of the algos that have been having some problem the last couple of weeks. Let's see. We could check the DAX M2 algo. So I've added a moving average indicator here. It's I believe the last 5,000 units. Okay, so here is the M2 algo, the results of the M2 algo for 100,000 bars. So I believe we had around like 50 consecutive wins during the spring and summer, and on September 18th we had the first loss in 6 months or something like that. And then we had 2 big losses, 2 consecutive losses this week. Let's zoom into that. Okay, so our algos are trend following algos. They will perform good when they are a clear trend, when the trend is clear. And I've used this average line to indicate when the trend is clear or not. So the algos will perform at its best when the inclination of the moving average is big, and they will perform worse when the line is flat, so to say. It's a simplification. Of course, if this was the whole truth, we could just code it into our algorithms to never take any trades. But it's not as simple as that. But we could zoom into the 2 trades here this week. Okay, so as you see here, the entry here was when this moving average line is flat, and it's a volatile but unclear trend here. So that's what our algos have problem with. The second trade was here, and as you can see, the line was flat here as well. Now it looks like the trend is going upwards. The angle of the moving average is going upwards. So if this continues in this way, we will see better results for the DAX M2 algo in the coming weeks. We could also zoom into the loss here in September, and it's the same thing here. You see the moving average line here is flat. So when the trend is clear and the inclination or declination of a long moving average is clear, that's when our algo perform at its best. Yeah, so that's an explanation of our algos. I feel that I'm missing some English vocabulary to make this as clear as it could be. But I hope you understand what I'm saying, and please let me know if you have any questions. Okay, and I think that's it for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you want to join the challenge, please go to ProRealAlgos.com. All our algos that we run on this challenge are available there. please sign up for the new partner program. If you are confident with our algos and want to spread the words and get access to some very special premium algo packages from Algo Alpha, please sign up and do that now. Yeah, that's it. So talk to you again next Sunday, and have a good week. Bye.